Hi everyone, in this problem we have a line and we're asked for a few things. We want the slope, the y-intercept, and the graph. So step one is to realize that this is in the form y equals mx plus b. And so we can use this and matching to come up with the slope and y-intercept. So just using basic matching, just comparing the two equations, we see that m is equal to negative 3 over 5. So that's our slope. So m equals negative 3 over 5. And this is the slope of the line. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a box. And then you see b here must be equal to positive 7. That's the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is equal to 7. Now, we're saying that y is equal to 7 when you say y-intercept equals 7. So as an ordered pair, it looks like this, right? 0, 7. Super useful in this problem. So whenever you have a y-intercept, it's just the y that's 7 and the x is always 0. And now we're going to use these two pieces of information to give a rough sketch of the graph. So here's the y-axis, and here is the x-axis, so x. And this is our y. And we'll start by plotting 0, 7. So I'm going to use really small tick marks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 0, 7 is right there. And now we're going to use rise over run to do the graph because m is negative 3 over 5, that's our slope, and it's rise over run. So from our y-intercept, so we went up 7, right 0, up 7, we're going to rise negative 3 and run 5. That means we're going to go down 3 and right 5. Okay, so from here, so I'm going to change the color to red and I'm going to count. So down 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're right here. Boom. And now I'm going to connect the dots and then extend it to make a beautiful line. And we can go this way here as well and extend it as well. Let's double check that. Let me use a different color so you can understand the double checking of it. So from here, we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that puts us right here. Connect these dots, and then extend the line, and that gives you your beautiful line. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there in the world. Good luck.